In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Adobe Express. First, open your project in the Express editor and navigate to the design where you want the animated text to appear. Click on the text box you plan to animate so it's selected. If you don't have one yet, add a new text box using the text tool and type your message. Make sure you can see the text clearly against your background. Good contrast helps animations read well. With the text selected, open the animation panel or sidebar. This is where all the motion options live. You'll see three main categories: in, looping, and out. Think of these as the beginning, middle, and end of your text's movement. Choose the type that fits your goal. Use in when you want to control how the text appears, like a smooth fade in or a typewriter effect that reveals characters one by one. Select looping when you want continuous motion while the text stays on screen, such as a subtle bounce, a gentle scale pulse, or a slight move to create energy. Pick out to define how the text leaves the canvas, from a soft fade-out to a slide that exits in a chosen direction. If you're aiming for a clean, professional look, keep entrance and exit effects simple, and use looping motion sparingly so it doesn't distract from your message. After choosing the animation type, customize it. Explore sub-animations like visibility, move, and scale to fine-tune how your text behaves. Adjust settings such as intensity to control how strong the effect feels, speed to set how fast it plays, direction to choose where motion comes from or goes, and personality to add stylistic flair. For entrance effects, you can optionally enable Start Outside Page so the text comes in from beyond the canvas edge. For exit effects, End Outside Page lets the text travel off the canvas for a cleaner finish. Small tweaks make a big difference. Keep movement crisp enough to catch attention, but slow enough to read comfortably. When you're ready, use the play or preview button to watch your animation in context. Look for pacing, legibility, and overall balance with the rest of your design. If anything feels too fast, too flashy, or too subtle, return to the animation panel and refine the settings. A quick preview and adjust cycle is the best way to dial in a polished result. That's it. Open your project, select or add your text, explore, in, looping, and out, customize the motion, and preview until it feels just right. With a few thoughtful adjustments, your text in Adobe Express will look purposeful, professional, and ready to shine.